Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Upheaval in the crypto markets. We're seeing a bit of a crash here, a bit of a red day, and naturally as a bit of a degen like I am, I usually get quite greedy when others become fearful. And actually just literally right now, I've called into my Discord that I bought 2.5k worth of Millenia at this level right here, right today, because I'm not seeing it really go down that much with the market. It really looks like it's holding itself very nicely, even with this market crash right now at the time of making this particular video. So call me crazy, maybe this video won't age very well and I might lose loads of money, but I'm okay with that risk. Now I just want to talk about the markets. 98.7k on Bitcoin, ETH down to 3k, very threatening level. Overall, a big dip and 6% down on the total day with a lot of red in the market. You can see all these coins are in the red. Jupiter is the only coin that is pretty much green at the time of making this video. Fear and Greed Index, 71. So I guess if it does feel terrible, maybe you have entered the market a little bit too late. Maybe you're not used to this volatility, and that's completely normal. It's just normal crypto shakeouts, volatility, and I personally think it is a massive shakeout. Trump's come back down to $25, and I think that was also preordained. They want that to happen. They want people to sell as much Trump as possible. They want the public to have as little Trump as possible, right? Even the concept of a whole coiner is becoming more and more impossible. To hold one whole Bitcoin every 4-year cycle, having one whole Bitcoin is going to become harder and harder. So the smart money and the enterprises, the institutions are the ones that want to hold it all and leave retail holding pretty much nothing if they could. Now, let's talk about what's going on. Bitcoin 99k, not the worst thing. It's still following plan. It's still following protocol. It's still sitting here at the top of the logarithmic chart. I still think we'll top out around $149,000 to $168,000 if we get lucky up there. And I still think when we correct back in the bear market, Bitcoin will be somewhere between $38,000 and $50,000. Can call me crazy again, but let's see what happens when, we go through the downward spiral of a bear market. I think we will eventually get there. So Millenia, $2.43 right now, $419 million market cap. You can see the volume is down 34%, 118 million on the week here. It's down from $9 to $2.40. And remember, this is still Donald Trump's, the president's wife, right? And she's still a big political figure and a philanthropist and whatever you want to call it and stuff. I don't know much about her, right? But I still think it as one of these coins that is pegged to someone's reputation in a way that it's bottoming out. I don't really know if it can go down much lower. I'm basically bought into a coin that is corrected. So I bought today. I bought into a meme coin that's gone down 83%. Like I said, I'm much more comfortable to buy here with the downside risk being pretty low compared to how high the downside risk was right at the top. So right now it's feeling a lot better, and I'm happy to get out, not back at the all-time high, but I'm happy to now exit my position at like a resistance. So sorry, these charts here on Dex Tools are very different to TradingView, so I do struggle navigating them. Now we can see this is a key resistance, $5.16. I am happy to hold this thing up to $5. I'm not going to get greedy. If I get a 2x, I'll take that 2x because it's passive money. It's money that I didn't have to put a lot of input for. It's just risk effectively. And this could happen over a few nights. I could make this money back over a few nights. Alternatively, we've got another big area of resistance around $2.95. So I could even be less greedy and wait for just a 26% move to the upside and also take my profits in. So I did indeed, but buy 2.5k worth of Millenia. There's my 921 Millenias that I bought. I think I lost a bit to slippage and fees. But yeah, I put that in my Discord channel. So if you do also want to get these calls and stuff, do become a patron, guys. That particular call isn't for the VIPs, but I am putting my buy-ins in the Discord when I do buy into a coin, AI coins, meme coins, alphas, all that juicy stuff. The Patreon down below will give you VIP access there. Just a few dollars a month, which could help you achieve time, location, and financial freedom. We're really happy to have this Discord where it is. People are making money, even with the market coming down. For example, this guy made 1,215% on his short position, which was given by our analysts in our trading group because they could see that this market was a little bit cooked. And that was a short position insight that they were given. So yeah, official Millenia over here. On the market side, you can still see you got a lot of volume. It's still got a bunch of great exchanges, decentralized exchanges and centralized exchanges getting a lot of volume come through, but we're just not getting that euphoric moves to the upside. So I think that will happen soon, but right now, I don't think it's going to happen, imminently. We need to see what's going to happen remaining in this market. So I bought in at $2.40, where I perceive to be very close to the bottom, a very big layer of support, which is what I'm hoping this can be. Of course, it's risky. It can still come down 50%. But I think right now, the chances of it going up are better. Yes, people are probably holding in at a very, very high level right now. Some of you guys are going to be buying in at 7, 8. You bought in at 10, 11, even maybe someone here bought at $13. And that's not a nice position to be in. That's where meme coins can be very, very risky and dangerous, because you buy the top, and it takes usually years for that coin to get back to the top. And we have to remember with Millenia, it's also got a flawed tokenomics. You can see there's actually 1 billion coins here, but 172.65 million Millenias are circulating, guys. So you have to also consider the effects of emissions, the effects of inflation, the fact that when this coin injects more coins into circulation, it's going to dilute the value of the token price, not the market capital, but the cost of each coin will come down significantly based on those emissions. Of course, you're going to have to look at the supply schedule yourself and things. But yeah, Millenia coin, I don't really know what to think of it. Am I bullish long term? Yes. Am I bullish short term for all-time highs or anything like that? Not really. I don't see all-time highs in like the next few weeks or anything like that. I think it's going to be a long, slow process. And just looking at the overall Twitter of Millenia Trump, there's not really much going on here about the meme coin. So this is a big risky play that I've played. I would say for people holding at the top, it's a tough decision, and I know it's not nice to be in, but things can bounce to the upside, hopefully quicker and sooner rather than later. And yeah, guys, if you're also trading out there in the crypto space, be sure to check out CaseX. They've got tons of trading pairs, hundreds of coins for you. This exchange will help you save thousands of dollars over time because it's got the lowest fees in the markets, but people don't tell you about this. Yeah, CaseX, love it. Good liquidity, globally accessible, no KYC if you don't want a KYC, and generally just a really good exchange. So please do check that out down below. Bitcoin 98.9K at the moment, still looking really good for year-on-year growth. We're not in a bad place. We're gonna see these chops of volatility. We're still in a very, very good place. And hopefully we don't see any major 20 to 30% corrections. That'd be the last thing we want. Anyways, guys, get yourself down below in the Discord, into Jacob's Crypto Clan. The link is there for you. It's the place to be when the markets are crashing. You can hang out in the general chat, or if you are a patron, you get the VIP chat access where people are maybe talking about more sort of slightly logical and serious things. But yeah, guys, honestly, get yourself down in Jacob's Crypto Clan. We'll see you there. Thanks for watching this video, and let me know what you think of Millenia. Are you buying in at these levels? I aped in here at $2.43. I had friends telling me to ape in on this massive move up. I had friends shilling this coin to me at $4, $7, and I would have been in the loss. Now I'm doing the opposite. I'm doing the opposite of what every retailer is doing. I'm buying. I'm buying this dip. I'm being the contrarian investor. I'm being the black sheep. I'm being what the smart money don't want you to be, which is brave. Anyway, see you soon. Peace.